Have you sprained your ankle before, but your ankle, even though it's not painful anymore, still feels wobbly, loose, or weak? That's not normal. That usually means that your ankle stability has not recovered and has not fully come back. Hi everyone, my name is Nigel. I'm from Rehab, Physio and Hand, and I'm here to talk about ankle recurring sprain, right? So after an ankle sprain, your ankle loses balance control, strength, and reaction speed. So what a lot of patients do is that since their pain is better, they think they're okay, right? What happens is that even if the pain has dropped, even the pain has disappeared, right? Your ankle can unfortunately still give way, not just only during sports, right? Even walking on regular ground or walking on shaky terrain or inclined or reclined terrain. So 3 quick self-checks to know whether your ankle instability will lead to re-spraining sometime really soon. 3 quick checks, okay? Check number 1 is you do a single leg balance where you balance on one leg, full upright standing, stand for 30 seconds. The goal is to be able to stand stable without wobbling, without falling over to either side or back, right? That's the first test. The second self-check, single leg calf raise. Do 30 clean raise from your, like this way, lift up your ankle, full body, single leg, 30 times without wobbling, without falling, without losing balance, right? And the third one, you do a single leg hop and stick. You just hop and land. You gotta land quietly with your knee stable and without you falling to either side. If you fail any of these 3 self-checks, your ankle is at very high risk of re-spraining. So please don't guess anymore. Come on in, get assessed, and rebuild your ankle stability properly. Now, before we end, I need to share with you the massive big red flag about ankle sprain or ankles, right? If you ever had an injury and then you find that you cannot bear weight on your ankle, there's some deformity, there's some severe swelling, it's very swollen, there's numbness or the sharp bone pain, that is a medical emergency. If that ever happens to you, I mean, hopefully never. If that ever happens to you, or you know someone, or you saw someone experiencing that, get them to A&E immediately, or you ping me quickly, I'll send you to a full ankle doctor, okay? So that's all I have for you today. I'll catch you in the next video.